pull up in the car. It's dark black. I can't see outside. I'm wondering why. The parents are coming out. They're not supposed to be here. I get a little nervous, so then I keep looking away, hiding my face. Oh my God. But then my heart beats and beats and beats. I can't help but breathe and breathe and breathe. I'm looking outside. Oh my God, it's he, this little girl, looking at me. Oh my God, she's walking up, so I lower the window. Sweetie, come to me. You know you want some candy. It's all right here to be shared by you and me. Come here, sweetie. End of part 2 of Third